In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off easy mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Accessibility and Convenience. Then scroll again, this time to click on this section called Simple Mode, and tap on Enter Simple Mode at the bottom. As you can see, Easy Mode is on. If you want to switch it off, you need to hit Settings. And if you see normal settings, that shouldn't happen. In this case, go into Background Apps, close Settings like that, and re-enter them until you see this layout. Then you can scroll all the way down to hit Exit Simple Mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!